Hello! We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Let's get going. The AirBar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. AirBar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your AirBar sensor has arrived, and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach AirBar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. AirBar senses input just above the display. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.
Life's busy and you're on the go. Keeping your home safe should be easy. With Corner, it is. Corner is simple home security from the palm of your hand. Just plug it in and our app connects automatically. Then stick tags to doors and windows. Easy. Portable. Powerful technology. After a brief one-time setup, your home is ready. It's that easy. When there's an intrusion, Corner lets out a loud siren, and your phone receives a notification, instantly letting you call the police or message your security circle, a list of friends, family, and neighbors who can check on your home. It's your own neighborhood watch right from your phone. At under $80, Corner is affordable on any budget. Compact and portable so you can take it when you move, and allows you to arm and disarm the system from anywhere. Wherever you go, keep life simple, affordable.
What happens when you take the same principles that help you become more active and use them to help you quit smoking? You get the Quitbit, the world's first smart lighter. It lights your cigarettes using a heat coil and tracks every time you smoke, so you can be mindful and start to cut out cigarettes one by one. If you can measure it, you can manage it. Learning your smoking habits is simple. With the Quitbit app, you can take a closer look at your trends and set custom
to our adventures to the next level with our Survivor Filter Pro LE. Our sturdy design is very durable and easy to use for anyone who loves the great outdoors, traveling, or emergency preparedness. Upgrades we've made for the Survivor Filter Pro LE include a 100,000-liter Ultra Filter pre-filter, larger hoses, a convenient new hose clip, and a zippered carrying case. Our system has 3 levels of filtration, which include the 0.1 micron Ultra Filter pre-filter. It blocks out large debris and acts like a barrier to help remove harmful bacteria and protozoa that are larger than 0.1 microns. The Ultra Filter pre-filter can be easily cleaned and backwashed after every trip, up to 100,000 liters. By utilizing our cleanable pre-filter system, the life of the internal filters are greatly extended. Next is the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. Finally, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter, which is designed to help remove the remaining contaminants that make it through the first 2 levels. Once the water has passed through the 3-stage system, independent tests have shown a filtration of 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and a significant reduction of heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters. Take on the outdoors.